So in the previous video we have just started the new chapter, that is combustion and fossil fuel. In that we have seen the combustion. So what is combustion? We have seen that, okay, and then after we have seen the combustible substance and non-combustible substance. So what is combustible substance? Which just when the fire is just taken near and it just start firing or burning, and non-combustible substance means it not start just burning or firing. Okay students, so these are the combustible, non-combustible and combustion substance. So here just reading the definitions again, that is the process of burning of a substance in presence of air or oxygen with the liberation of heat and light is known as combustible substance. What? The process of burning of a substance with the liberation of heat and light is known as what? Combustible substance. And then after it is further divided into two parts, that is combustible substance and non-combustible substance. So what is combustible substance? Substance that burns in air or oxygen to produce heat and light are called combustible substance. And non-combustible substance, that are substance do not burn in air or oxygen when brought in contact with fire or heat are called non-combustible substance. Okay students, now moving further, and we will start with our new topic, that is types of combustions. Types of combustions. Types of combustions. Okay, so let us see the types of combustions. That are three types. First that is rapid combustion. Rapid combustion. Okay. Second, that is explosive. Third, that is spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous combustion. Okay. So these are the main three types of combustion. Okay students, now let us see in detail it. So first of all, what is rapid combustion? See here, a definition is given over here of rapid combustion, and she is writing that on the board. The combustion in which substances burn rapidly to release a large amount of heat and light is called rapid combustion. Okay, so what is rapid combustion? A combustion in which substance burns rapidly to release a large amount of heat and light is called rapid combustion. In that we can take an example of petrol. As a petrol is there in a vessel and you just take it a matchstick, burning matchstick over then it will start burning. Okay, so that is rapid combustion. Then after coming to explosive. So what is explosive? See here, the definition is given over here. That is the combustion of substance that result in a sudden release of heat, light and sound with liberation of a large amount of gas is called an explosion. Sorry, not explosion. Okay. For example, fireworks on burning produce heat, light and sound. Okay, fireworks. Then after coming to the spontaneous combustion. What is spontaneous combustion? The combustion in which substance catches fire spontaneously without the application of either a source of heat or fire is called spontaneous combustion. Okay, it's called spontaneous combustion. Here, see, three types of main combustions are there, which rapid combustion, explosive and spontaneous combustion. So first of all, what is rapid combustion? Means the combustion in which substance have burnt rapidly to release a large amount of heat and light is called rapid combustion. Means if we take about LPG, which we use in the gas stove, that how the LPG burn. First of all, what our mom do? Our mother just start the gas and just gives a lighter, then it will start burning. So that is known as rapid combustion. Then after coming to explosive, the combustion of a substance that result in a sudden release of heat, light and sound with liberation of large amount of gas is called an explosion. Means the fireworks that we do, fireworks means that bombs and other things that we do, what it happens, it just explodes, which what release, it releases heat, light and sound, so that is known as explosion. And then third, coming to the spontaneous combustion, the combustion in which substance catch fire spontaneously without the application of either a source of heat or fire, is called spontaneous combustion. Means what? We don't have to give a heat or fire to just burn that substance. Then also when it will come in the contact with air and atmosphere, it will start burning by itself, by spontaneously. Okay, so see here, let us see it from rapid combustion requires either a source of heat or fire for a substance to start burning, with result in fire. The combustion in which substance burn rapidly to release a large amount of heat and light is called rapid combustion. For example, when a matchstick is brought near to the gas stove, LPG burns rapidly to produce heat and light. Okay, and coming second one, that is explosion. The combustion of substance that results in a sudden release of heat, light and sound with the liberation of large amount of gas is called an explosion. For example, firework on burning produce heat, light and sound. An explosion can also take place if pressure is applied on the substance. Okay, then coming to the spontaneous, the combustion in which substance catches fire spontaneously without applications of either a source of heat or fire is called spontaneous. So means, for example, white phosphorus and sodium metals burn spontaneously in air at room temperature. Means the white phosphorus and sodium. See here, sodium is just put into the kerosene. Why? Sodium is just kept in the kerosene. So why? Because it not start burning. If it will come in the contact with air, it will start burning. Okay, so sodium is kept in the kerosene. Then coming to us, combustion of hydrocarbons. So what is combustion of hydrocarbons? Let us see that. Fuel is a substance that burns to release energy. Means what is fuel? Fuel is a substance which helps for burning. Okay. Then carbon based fuels are made up of carbons and hydrogens are known as hydrocarbons. Petrol, diesel, LPG are examples of hydrocarbons. The combustion of hydrocarbons can be complete or incomplete depending upon the supply of oxygen. See here they have given the complete combustion and the incomplete combustion. Let us see that. So what is complete combustion and what is incomplete combustion? Let us see. First of all, they have said the fuel. What is fuel? Which the fuel is the source where the fire, due to which the fire starts. If we give a burning or anything, then fire or anything else, okay, so it will start burning. So here, first of all, fuel is a substance that burns to release energy, and carbon based fuels are made up of carbon and hydrogen, and the examples are petrol, diesel and LPG. Okay, then coming to the hydrocarbons can be complete or incomplete combustion. So first of all, see the complete combustion. Complete combustion, that is the combustion of hydrocarbon in sufficient amount of air and air or oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, heat and light is called complete combustion. Complete combustion. Complete combustion. Then incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion. Okay. So what is incomplete combustion? The combustion of hydrocarbon insufficient amount of air or oxygen to produce carbon monoxide soot, water, heat and light is called incomplete combustion. Okay, so these are the complete and incomplete combustion. That is, the combustion of hydrocarbon is sufficient amount of air or oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, heat and light is called complete combustion. Then incomplete combustion, the combustion of hydrocarbon in insufficient amount of air or oxygen to produce carbon monoxide, soot, water, heat and light is called incomplete combustion. Okay students, that is incomplete combustion, that is complete combustion. And then after, in the next video, what we will do is we will study not in the next video, in this video only we have time, so we will see the conditions necessary for the combustion. Which conditions are necessary for the combustion of the substance? Here, the conditions necessary for the combustion are represented by a fire triangle. The following are the essential for combustion to take place. Here, see here I am just drawing a triangle, fire triangle, which is drawn over here. At last it is green line. See, sorry, I have to rub this. So, here first of all a fire triangle is to be drawn. Okay, so we will draw a fire triangle like this. Here you can see fuel, which is in the green color in the downside. So this is fuel. Okay, this is fuel. And then after, here I don't have the orange color marker, so I am using red one. Okay students, so here Okay, this one. And then after, here in the air there is blue one that I have. Okay, so this is blue one, that is here it is air, this is heat, and here it is fuel. Okay, and here some of the firewoods are there. I don't have brown color, so I am just using with the black one. This is some of the woods. And when it start, it just release a red light. Okay, so here you can see it is done. So here you can see the conditions necessary for the combustion. First is presence of a combustible substance or a fuel. The first condition is that the fuel must be present. Like this, here the fuel is present. Then next, combustion is possible only if the substance is combustible. Yes, the combustible substance is to be there as a fuel. Okay, next condition, that is presence of a supporter of combustion. Supporter of combustion means what is supporter of combustion? See here, combustible substance will not burn in absence of a support of combustion, that is oxygen. Without oxygen means which is in the air, without oxygen it will not burn. So it is supporter. An adequate supply of oxygen will maintain a steady combustion of a fuel. Then after the third condition, that is attainment of ignition temperature. Attainment of the ignition temperature means a temperature must be there over there, so it start burning. Why do a piece of wood have to be heated for quite some time before it catches fire? A substance catches fire only if a certain minimum temperature or ignition temperature has been attained. The minimum temperature at which particular substance catches fire in the presence of air is called ignition temperature. Okay, here in the bike or in the car you can see a ignition written in the key, where the key is just put it and their ignition is written. Why ignition? Means if you just start, it will give the minimum temperature in the fuel to start the engine, that is ignition. Okay, then after, substance that catches fire easily are called inflammable substance. They are also called flammable substance. This substance have low ignition temperature. Alcohol, petrol, LPG and nylon fiber are examples of inflammable substance. Here, so here we have seen the conditions necessary for the combustion. Which condition? First of all, the fuel must be there. Then after fuel, the supporter is there, which is in the air, that is oxygen. And then after, a minimum amount of heat should be there so that it catches fire and start burning. Okay students, so this is the conditions necessary for the combustion. And now there is an activity that we will do in the next video. Okay students, and in your in your homework, write the definition, write the definitions of topics of this video. Means in this video which definitions we have seen, that you have to learn and write. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Bye students.
Thank you.